Good morning friends. So welcome to Ram's CR Guru YouTube classes. So today my topic is letter series. Subtopic is repeated series. So what are the repeated series? Means some letters are involving a particular series. So it is a segregating way. So like some letters are repeated way, it will be there. So what is that? I will give example. Suppose if for example if it is A B A B A B A B A B A B like that will be there. Once you segregate here two letters A B A B A B A B A B. So these are called as letter series repeated series. So here A B A B A B A B A B A B. So repeated no. So two letters are repeated in the particular continuously series. So it is called as a repeated series example. Suppose sometimes here ABC, 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 ABC will be. So once you need to observe here dividing your three letters combination. So ABC, ABC, ABC means yes, it is also called as a repeated series. Means either repeating either two letters or three letters. Okay. Sometimes ABCD, DCBA, ABCD, DCBA, ABCD will be there. Suppose once you observe here ABCD, next BCDA. So when I am observing the continuously complete series, definitely you will identify. So where it will be repeated series will be. So here ABCD, BCDA, ABCD, BCD, DCBA, and again ABCD means here four letters are repeated. So either two letters are repeated or three letters are repeated or four letters are repeated. So this is about continuation series or repeated series in the letter series friends. Suppose if it is for example ABC, BCD, CDE, DEF, EFF like that will be there. Suppose whether it is the continuation series or not. Once we need to check. Suppose if it is ABC, BCD, CDE, DEF, C, ABC, ABC, next BCD will come. So if it is neglecting A, BC and next one more letter is added. Next again CDE, next DEF, next EF. But if it is G will be there means it is continuation series. But if it is F is there means it is not the continuation series. So like that. Okay, now first of all you need to observe the throughout the series whether it is all completed on particular pattern, whether it is repeated or not. Once you need to observe. Okay. So next I will go. So once observe the first question. AB dash C D 4D, so EE dash F will be there. Here four options are given. So first of all, how to solve this sum? So first of all, you are arranging from here four options are there means in the given question written as into four times. So write four times. So after that substitute in the option 1. What is the option 1? B, C, E, substitute. Next second option is B, C, substitute. Third option is here B, C, E, F, substitute. Next fourth option is B, C, again F will be substitute. So once now you are observe here which is the repeated sequence will be. Just once you observe here, if it is all the letters once you need to observe, the small letter to big letter, some repeated letters will be happened. So means simply first of all, for example, in the observing the first option, A will be there. After that BB, next C, D. So next similarly, if it is here 3 E's will be there. E. Okay. So E. Next F will be there. Once you observe here, A one time repeated, B two times repeated, C three times repeated, D four times repeated, E five times repeated. Next and so on F will be coming. So that's why. So this is having one particular relation will be. So similarly, if you are observing in the next remaining are not possible for us. Once you think it. So that's why option 1 is the answer. So first of all, the given repeated series question. So means all the four options are given, means the given question write into four times, and again all the four options are substitute. So then you check it whether it is in this which option is having the particular series is continuation series will be happened. Okay. So next directly in the next sum onwards directly I will give the question and answers. Question and answers, and I won't explain again all those things. So all the questions you have to practice this. So once you observe in the second question, MNO dash PON dash M dash OPP dash NM. So first this question is written into four ways. After that all the four options are substituting. So first of all, which is the suitable option means in the second. So this is your practice exercise. Directly I will say, so which option is suitable for this, just a sequence I will explain. So you have to practice that method, right? Suppose if it is fourth option is correct here, substitute here P, M, N, O. Once you observe here what will get here? M, N, O, P. Okay, next second question. So MNO dash PON dash M dash OPP dash NM will be no. So now this question you have to practice, right? The given question four times. After the substitute four options, which is suitable option you need to find out. So directly first question I explained now for explanation how to do that. So these all the questions, just what is the pattern and what is the answer I will explain you. So remaining everything that how to do this means you have to practice, right? This is the practice sheet only. Okay. So now we are in this so which is suitable option means here fourth option is suitable. So that is substitution is P, M, N, O. So these four options substitute. After we'll get what we'll get. You once you observe here M N O P, so aggregate, next P O N M. So means the reverse order we gave here. Already I told ABA, BCA like that. Next now here MNOP, PONM, next MNOP, next PONM. So this is the order. You have to practice. So directly I gave this option. So you have to practice. Okay, first the given question write into four times. So after that substitute all the four options, which is the suitable option you need to find out. Okay. So next similarly third question, STV dash dash ZS dash VT UZ dash TV TUZ. So now here all the four options. So now once this is the third option, once you need to check, substitute here TU TS. Okay. So TU TS, substitute TU TS. Okay. So once you observe here, if it is STV TUZ, again where will be starting? Again S will be started now. Just use aggregate like this. STU TUZ. Again next STU STV TUZ. Again STV TUZ will come. So that's why that option 3 is the correct one. So next fourth one is K dash dash BCK BC dash CK BCB dash will be. So now here which is the option is suitable means now here just you check it first option, substitute here BC, again here BC value substitute you will get. Okay, now here what will get here, if it is so what will get means here, so now here KB CBC will be there, again it will be started K now. So you segregate first five letters, so KBC KBC BC KBC BC and again KBC BC will come. So that's why option 1 is the correct. So next similarly in the fifth question, see once I observe fifth question is CC EAD dash dash. So like that will be there now. So which option is suitable means now here third option. So once you check it, substitute here CC ED. So now what is the pattern will be, but if it is substituting a third option, so you will get one certain pattern will be. So what is that means, see CCEAD means just segregate first five letters and again CCEAD, again CCEAD, again CCEAD will be there. Okay, so that's the third option is suitable. Sixth question. Okay, next AB dash DD dash F dash G I J J K L will be. Suppose here which is the suitable option means just it is suitable for third option. So you have to practice. I'm saying. Okay, now substitute here C E G H only. So now here, so what is the pattern? So in the sixth one, what is the pattern? Once you see here, so AB, uh, CD will be there. No, AB, CD, and again DE, FG, GH, IJ, JK, L. So like that, continuously sequence you will get none. So that's why. So this is third option. So next, similarly, if it is seventh question, E dash GH dash GF dash dash F dash HHG will be. So now in this question, which is the suitable option means, so all the four options in the first one is the suitable option. So once we need to substitute here F G E again G you need to substitute. So now in this one, so which is the suitable option will get means once I need to observe here, if it is EF GH will come now, EF GH, and again next EF GH. So next again here it is HGFE. HGFE means it will be reverse will be coming. Reverse will be coming. HGFE means this is here. This is H is suitable option. HG. So means that is fourth option, not in the first option. So if it is fourth option, see F H E E Z means here EF GH HGFE. Again EF GH HGFE means if it is fourth option is the correct. Fourth option is suitable. So next you go for so next eighth question, A Z E V I R M N dash will get. So first of all in this once you need to observe here, if it is how many letters will be there, 3, 6, 8 letters will be there. 8 letters will be there means suppose if it is if it is taking odd multiples, if you are taking odd multiples, so now if it is 1, 3, 5, 7, next what will come? So then if it is 8 means next I want in the ninth letter means you need to take in this odd letters. So now if it is A1, E5, okay, I9, M13. So this difference is 1 plus 5 and means here difference is 4 will be means next I want 17. 17 is nothing but Q. So answer is 1. First option is the answer. Okay, next ninth question. So Z T M C Y U. So like that it will be. So now once you observe here, suppose if it is so next here Z will be there. Next here Y will be there. So Y before here X will be there, no? So once you need to observe here Z Y. So next here it is Z next 1, 2, 3, fourth letter. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth letter. Again 1, 2, 3. Again fourth letter I want. But here what will get? So Z X means next what will come? Here again W will come. Okay, so W will come. Suppose if it is similarly next letter you need to observe. Here T will be there. If it is T will be there. So T next what will be there? U will be there. So U in the next fourth letter is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is V will be there. T U V next what will come again here? W will come. So that's why that option is W. So next I'll go for the 10th question. See once 10th one, no, A B C D E I E like that will be there now. So if it is in the 10th question, once you need to observe, if it is here 3 letters you segregate, very simple. For A letter is 1, B letter is 2. 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3 will come. But here just you need to take A, B, C. A is 1, B is 2. That equal to 3, 1 plus 2. So that is the relation. So that's why similarly here same like that here D4, E5, this is 9. So like that here M is 13. So E is how much? E is 5. This is 13 plus 5 is nothing but 18. I want 18. 18 is nothing but R. So option 1 is the correct. So these are the first 10 questions. Okay, next 11th question is A, E, E, I, O, O, U, dash, dash will be. So first of all, once you observe here, all are oval series will be there, no? Oval series means suppose if it is A, E segregate, E, I segregate, I, O segregate, O, U segregate. So already I told you how to write ovals means here A, E, I, O, U. So now here A, E, E, I, O, O, U. Next what will come again here? U, A will come. So what is the answer means? Option 1 is the suitable option in the repeated series. Okay, next 12th question is DA, DB, DHA, MN, CK. So which is the suitable option? So for example, very simple. First of all, for example, first 3 I am segregating. So now here D value is 1 and D value is 4 and A is 1. So 4 into 1 is how much? It is nothing but 4 only, D will come. Okay, so now it is 4 into 1 is nothing but 4 will come. So D, A, again D. So this is the relation D, A, D. So similarly like that, you segregate like this. Suppose if it is B is 2, D is 4, 4 2 is 8, H is 8, A is 1, M is 13, again M is 13, 1 into 13, 13. Now C is 3, K is 11. So K into 11 means that now I want 33. So 33 means 33 minus 26 how much? 33 minus 26. So how much it is? 7. So what is 7? What is 7th letter? 7th letter is G. So that option 1 is the suitable answer. So next similarly, if it is 13th one, AFF dash, so like that will be there now. So which is the suitable option? So first of all, once we need to substitute the second option. So EF, AF will be. So now once you observe here, what is the relation? AF, FE. 4 letters we segregate. AF, FE. So like that. So that's the suitable option is 2. So similarly in this 14th one, J dash dash. So which is the suitable option is now here it is third option. Substitute here KL M next KL. So next JL you need to substitute. So now here what will come here? So JKLM 4 letters segregate JKLM. So that's why suitable option is 3. So next similarly, so next 15th one is ABCD dash and so on means so which is the suitable option? So suitable option is now here 4. Fourth one substitute here CD EE will come. So now here ABCD, again here CD and again ED EF, again E will come. So what is the possible relation here? Possible relation is okay. So simply here not 4 letters. So now here suppose first of all ABC, next DCB, ABC, DCB, CDE, okay, CDE next to DEF, next what will come again? E will start. See ABC, DCB will come now, DCB, DCD. So like that. So this is ABC, DCB, this is DCB, this is. So that's why if it is fourth option is suitable. Okay. So next 16th one is say ZY, X, W and so on like that series now. So now which is the suitable option is once 3. So 3 substitute here XY, ZY. So once you observe here XY, XW, again W is repeated now here segregate like that. Just you need to observe. Okay, next again WX, YZ, again ZY, XW, again like that it will. So that's why option 3 is the suitable. So next last question is MZ, PQ, okay, R and Z, so like that. So now which is the suitable option means here fourth option once need to check, substitute here PQ, MP will be. Okay. So now here what will get here again, so this relation will be okay. So now here mz pqr, again m is coming now, so two m's are coming, next z is coming means, so you are segregate five letters, okay, mz pqr, mz pqr, mz pqr, so again mz will come, so that's why, so this is the um, in number series, in letter series, repeated series exercises sums. So if you are practicing those 17 sums, so all the models of repeated series is completed. First of all, one thing, my dear friends, so first the given question write into 4 times, so that all the 4 times the substitute that all the 4 options in the particular way. So you need to observe which is the repeated series, you need to calculate. So how will get that type of sums? Easy way means you are practicing, take more reference books, you practice well, then definitely you will get good score for the competitive exams. If you are any exam, so this type of questions, minimum 3 to 5 questions will be, but in the NTSC exam, National Talent Search Examination, it is very important. So in the for the next video I will come for some other topic. Until, keep watching my channel. I wish you all the best, friends. Thank you all. So till now who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click the bell symbol, so then my next notifications will come to your mobile, and so that videos share to your well wishers. I wish you all the best. Thank you, friends.